गोंय सरकारी अर्जाचेर दीनदयाळ उपाध्यायच्या प्रतिमेक काँग्रेसीचो आक्षेप हाका लागून लोकशायेचो आनी स्वतंत्र चळवळीचो अपमान केल्या सारको जाता म्हूण काँग्रेस प्रदेशाध्यक्ष शांताराम नायक उलयला. तशेंच कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेसीस रिक्रुटमेंट बेकायदेशीरपणान चल्ला म्हूण काँग्रेसीचे प्रदेशाध्यक्ष नायकान आरोप केला. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झल रॉड्रिगीस आनी गौतम शिरोडकार.
Deen Dayal scheme, etc., etc. I will not say anything on that right now. The question is, we must know who is Deen Dayal Upadhyay. Deen Dayal Upadhyay is a person who opposed the freedom of this country. He has opposed democracy, secularism, and all the essential features in the constitution which are seen today. He was a strong opponent and a casteist by nature. Can we worship such a man in our country? I would like to ask Mr. Manohar Parrikar, as Chief Minister and as Mines Minister, because this form, Kamlo is here. He has applied for license for send instruction, and this is he's brought to me. And I write for the photograph or monogram or can see of Deen Dayal Upadhyay, who opposed, I said again, freedom movement of the country strongly. I would like to ask Mr. Parrikar whether he would like to worship such a man who was against freedom of India and who wants Muslims and Christians to be treated like slaves. Therefore, I demand that government of Goa should remove this monogram from the forms of the government wherever they are printed. Now, question is, these posts were for a duration of 2 months to 10 months on contract basis. The fate of these people is very difficult to say. It amounts to torture, making them stand in sun for these temporary posts, not only temporary, contract basis posts. Let this be investigated.